Alright, well, here's the jar that was boiling. And this jar was sitting back on the counter back there, and the fan was not on it. So, obviously, the glass being exposed to the fan is transferring heat as well. So this one still had enough heat to boil. When I put water on top and put the glass jar with water on top of it, it's boiling. And it's now been an hour and 15 minutes since I turned the stove off. I'm sorry, no, it's only been 47 minutes. God, I can't do math in my head today. I'm amazed by by what I'm seeing. Boiling water, 45 minutes after no flame. And it's still going. Alright, well, I'm not going to wait until the second jar finishes, but pretty damn cool.